Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. It is our last game today for our quarterfinals matchup of our Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. It is the ADNU Golden Knights versus the BISCAST Spartans. I am your commentators, Cristina Canza-Reyes, and with me is Eugene Nueva.
Thank you for that, Pete. Again, hello, what's up, good Bicolandia? I am Eugene Nueva, and of course, serving you with a new perspective and new conversation to connect with you guys and to grow all here on the Bucal Season 6 in men's and women's volleyball. And all I gotta say here that it's gonna be a good match for the finals. And kaya sit back and relax.
At kaya naman talagang aabangan natin itong ating mga matches na ito. Of course, this is our last game for our quarterfinals men's volleyball. Kung kaya naman talaga titingnan natin kung anong gagawin nating mga laro ngayong hapon na ito. Kung kaya will it be the BISCAST Spartans or the ADNU Golden Knights that will go on to the semifinal round. Kaya UG, yung mga fans talaga nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito, sigurado nga abangan yung laban ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
These both players are known for their perseverance and dedications for these games, and titingnan natin kung sino makakakuha ng first matchup later on. And these players are getting ahead by the warm-up and getting done to the hard court. Sa ating pagbabalik, let's watch later on kung sino again makakakuha for these games. Only here on Dragon Sports TV.
And of course, sa mga fans po ng ating BISCAST Spartan and ADNU Golden Knights, comment down below lamang po kayo dahil isi-shoutout namin po kayo maya-maya lamang yan. Kaya talaga UG, ito na yung inaabangan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Sino nga ba ang kukumpleto sa semifinals ng ating men's volleyball? Is it the ADNU Golden Knights or the BISCAST Spartans?
And di ko pa masasabi for that team. Siyempre, magsisimula pa lang. And it was my first time again to see these both team na maglalaro.
Kaya naman talagang maraming salamat din sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, and of course sa ating live viewers sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have Bucal, Dragon Sports TV, Angena TV 48 Naga. Dahil andito sila full support sa kanilang mga eskwelahan ngayong hapon ito. Kaya talaga namang pareho itong dalawang kupunan ito. They will try their best to really fight hard. Talagang magagandang defense sa floor defense yung ipapakita ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And on the side of BISCAST Spartans, first time na maglalaro para dito sa ating Bucal men's and women's volleyball. Kaya naman titingnan natin kung ano bang klaseng performance ang ipapakita ng kanilang kupunan. At yun nga yung inaabangan dito ng kanilang mga fans. How will the exposure of BISCAST Spartans take place dito sa ating quarterfinals? Kaya naman aabangan natin ang ating laban na ito. And to hear an update from the side of BISCAST Spartans, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Magandang hapon, UG Enten, at magandang hapon din sa ating viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page and GNN TV 48 Naga. I welcome our lovely viewers to the last game today, the ADNU Golden Knights versus the Spartans. This is Shulabar Zaiminiano, your most charming courtside reporter from the side of the Spartans. Ang lalakas na nga ng hiyawan dito sa loob ng court as we start this nerve-wracking game. I had an opportunity opportunity to interview one of the coaches of the Spartans. Coach Azur told his players beforehand to play the game smart with their hearts and determination, since this will determine if they will play at the pre-finals round of the season of Bucal. He also advised na wag magpadala sa pressure and stay composed even during errors. So based on Coach Azur's words, I feel like this will be one of a kind game. Kaya UGN10, kumalma muna tayo kasi mamaya parang roller coaster na naman tayo dito sa loob ng court. That's all for now. This is Shulamar Zaminiano from the side of the Spartans again, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, UGN10.
Thank you for that, Zai, and for that update. Sabi mo nga, some assets for this game is actually their offense and defense sa game na to and matchup. And they need to execute that actually to have a good point, and they need to compose as a team to ensure na lessen ang error to have a good point.
Kaya naman UG, kung handang-handa yung ating BISCAST Spartans, what more itong ating ADNU Golden Knights? Of course, pinaghandaan nila ito. At andito din ang ating ADNU community sumusuporta sa kanila. And now, to hear an update on the side of the ADNU Golden Knights, mukhang handang-handa na sa kanilang kupulan dito. And talagang gagawa ng paraan dito ng ADNU Golden Knights. At para makarinig tayo ng update, call on our courtside reporter. Babalikan natin si Angel on that side of ADNU Golden Knights. But as we can hear right now, it is the cheering of the fans here of ADNU. Handang-handa sila para sa labang ito ngayong hapon ito. And to hear an update, andyan si Angel. Hi Angel, anong update sa side ng ADNU Golden Knights?
Hi, Naga, Bicolanda. That also goes out to all our viewers watching via live our Facebook page, only here at Bucal's Facebook page. 1 Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Angel Bantog Bustano, and once again, I am back to be the courtside correspondent of the team of my team today, Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Today, we will bear witness the smashing quarterfinals between the Golden Knights and the Spartans. A while ago, I spoke with the head coach of the Golden Knights, and according to his words, we will witness a team harder on the court today, highlighting that there is a need to win the game against the Spartan, and of course, nourishing the game in order to attain their purpose. That's it on my end. Primum Regnum Dei. Back to you guys.
Thank you for that, April. I love the energy, by the way, of right now live on the NCF covered court, and the cheer was very intense. And yeah, props to the Ateneo. This match has everything. Power spikes, incredible defense na nakikita ko ngayon sa warm-up, and some crazy, teen na grabe din yung cheer nila sa side na to. And sa Ateneo Golden Knights pulled through in the winning moment, and that's what made the difference on this match.
So, we only have a few seconds here before we start this quarterfinal matchup of Ateneo Golden Knights and BISCAST Spartans. And of course, ngayon pa lang ramdam na natin agad yung supporters dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. And if you have anyone to shout out, babasahin po natin yan dito sa ating live coverage. And of course, quick shout out dito sa mga nanonood po sa atin ng live. Shout out kay Marniela Berrido, kay Arin Tosok, JM Jacob. We also have James Angelo Cabarda, Jameson Brenya, Janaila Basales, Erica Dilima, Aljon Pogoy, at Rick Puerta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, kay Eric De La Torre, maraming salamat po. And magsisimula na nga po ang ating laban ng BISCAST and Ateneo. I know for sure that you are now ready to see this much-awaited matchup. And now, let's meet our starting lineup here for both teams from the side of the BISCAST Spartans and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang abangan natin itong ating dalawang kupunan. Now, pinapakilala na po ang ating starting lineup. Starting 6 on the side of BISCAST Spartans. At Andiyan na nga po dito ang kanilang mapagkakatiwala mga players. We have Cadiz, jersey number 4. We also have jersey number 3, Abundo. Tabardillo, jersey number 6. We have Itis, Valentina, Galvo, and Flores. And on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, here are some of the new faces. On their side here, we have jersey number 1, Sunga. Ito na yung dating napapanood natin dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. We have jersey number 8 here, Nieva. Jersey number 3, Alano. Jersey number 2 here. And a lot of players from the side of Ateneo Golden Knights.
Okay, we're live and it's the first set and the tension is real and titingnan natin kung sino makakakuha ng first set sa laban na ito between the BISCAST Spartans and of course the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And now, our starting lineup here for our first set. Let's see it here. Jersey number 8 now on the side of BISCAST Spartans. Unang serve ng Ateneo to attack. Tabartillo ngayon, soft touch. But that point will go on to the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Maagang pagpuntos sa kanilang kubunan dito. Let's see if they can get this momentum straight sa ating first set. Now jersey number 7, serving. Valentino sets it up here for his teammate. But that will be another error para dito sa side of BISCAST Spartans. That's 2 straight points coming from the side of Golden Knights.
Pero let's see, because this first set, malamig pa ang laro. So jersey number 8 set to the open spikers and it was a great point on the side of the BISCAST Spartans.
Ayan. Nagkaroon na nga ng unang puntos dito itong ating BISCAST Spartans. So talagang dikit at match yung laban ng Ateneo and the Spartans. Now Cadiz on that service deck to serve. Let's see with that 1-point lead of Ateneo. Jersey number 2 with that strong attack.
With the back row attack, with the confidence, actually the connections of the setters to the opposite spikers was very great. And the receptions of Ateneo right now, we're seeing na maganda ang gising nila for this game.
Yes, and now let's see if this will continue sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Kung patuloy ba yung magandang performance dito, but that will be service error coming from Luzon. So bonus point para dito sa Spartans.
On the service line, jersey number 6 on the side of the BISCAST Spartans. Let's see. What a great serve and great receptions of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And it was a good connections between the setter and the middle blocks. And for that quick play, it was a great point again on the side of the Ateneo with a 4-2 score.
And from the very last time I've watched Ateneo Golden Knights playing volleyball here, andyan pa yung kanilang mga former players. Sansunga now, nag-iisa na lamang dito doon sa mga napanood ko. And grabe, yung in-improve dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang sabi nila season 6 will be different for their team. And I'm really happy seeing the improvement on their team now. But at the same time, BISCAST Spartans, merong laban dito sa ating first set. So let's see kung hanggang saan ba itong magandang laban ay ipapakita ng ating dalawang kupunan. But after that series of points sa side ng Golden Knights, a service error committed from their team. So bonus point yung ibibigay dito sa side ng BISCAST Spartan. An opportunity for them to rise again here. Another point conversion, double touch para dito sa side ng Ateneo. Sunod-sunod na error sa kanilang kupunan. If they really want to have this great momentum, they need to lessen that error sa first set pa lamang. Sunga to attack.
And again, I said earlier, some assets for this game is actually their offense and defense. Kaya they need to compose as a team, again, to ensure na lessen ang error to have a good point. And ayun nga, nilesson ng Ateneo actually yung error nila when it comes to the serving.
Sunga serving. Valentina sets it up to jersey number 3 right now. Now let's take a look at it again with that strong attack coming from the side of BISCAST Spartans. It is Apundo attacking the Golden Knights here.
Okay.
Dikit yung laban natin para dito sa ating first set, UG.
5-6 again. What a good connections with a quick play on the back by the Golden Knights. Ang ganda ng palo, and na-utilize talaga ng setter nila ang kanilang middle blocker. And for that good receptions, of course, again, magkakaroon talaga sila ng good points.
Yes, Nerva getting that point for the side of Golden Knights here. And let's see. Oh, another point sa side ng Ateneo. We're seeing here variety of plays. And also, yung sa side ng BISCAST Spartans, they need to lessen their error now, most especially that it is a 3-point lead coming from the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Nako, parehong kupon na ito, talagang ilang error na yung nagawa nila during this first set. Now Ateneo to attack. Oh,
Good
with that
dug sana
attitude.
from the back on the side of the BISCAST, pero masyadong malakas ata yung powers ng Ateneo and hindi nagawa ng paraan on that side.
With that attitude of Ateneo Golden Knights, they're really ready for this quarterfinal matchup against BISCAST Spartans.
On deck to serve jersey number 3. And it was an out. And yun nga, again, bawasan nila yung error nila because it was their strength. Kung baga sa kabilang koponan, ito yung parang ikakapanalo nila if ever.
Naboneo checking in for the side of BISCAST Spartans. And let's see here, that is just 7-9 on our scoreboard. 2-point lead of Ateneo. 1-2 play. What a pancake save here. Ateneo to attack. And Ateneo getting that point. Let's take a look at it again with this instant replay. BISCAST didn't anticipate that attack. And we're seeing a very determined Ateneo Golden Knights here. Valentina to Cadiz. Through the block with that kind of attitude, staring down.
On the service line, Cadiz, jersey number 4 on the side of the BISCAST Spartans. And we will see on this kung paano ang game plan or strategy ng bawat koponan. Okay, to the setter and to the open spiker, actually a good dog by the libero, the BISCAST Spartans. And a good spikes. It was a very powerful spikes of jersey number 15.
9-10 on our scoreboard here. Hinahabol ng BISCAST Spartans yung puntos dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So this is an intense one. This is really what quarterfinals looks like. Ateneo. Valentina.
It was an attack error on the side of the Spartans and the score is 9-11.
Now, on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights here. Another point for their team. Sa side ng BISCAST Spartans rather. Both teams, marami na silang nakommit na error dito sa ating first set, but at the same time, bumabawi naman sila agad. But these two teams needs to focus more on their floor defense and lessen that errors. And we're seeing a long rally here for our first set. And Yerba once again attacking the home of the Spartans here. Mukhang magiging matinik yung laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito. It will not be an easy ticket to semifinals.
Good reception by the libero. And it was a very powerful hit pero it was out. So the score is 10-13. So kailangan talaga mag-compose ang team. And of course, paganahin nila yung communications nila inside of this hardcore para ma-lessen ang error.
Now, speaking of errors, yung mga bigay na puntos dito ng dalawang kupunan. 10-13, 3-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. Good serve! That will be an ace! Napapatawag na nga ng timeout dyan itong BISCAST Spartans because this is the biggest gap of Ateneo Golden Knights here. 4 na puntos yung kanilang hawak dito. And here's some of the highlights of the game of Ateneo and BISCAST Spartans. And I will say this once again, Ateneo Golden Knights, grabe yung in-improve nila from that last season. Now, looking at the performance of their team, itong mga baguhang player ng Ateneo, talagang they really contribute well sa defense and attacks of their team. So let's see if this will continue and they will get the set number 1 or after this timeout, the BISCAST Spartans will step up, will focus more on their defense and well-executed attacks. Now Lopez to check in for the side of BISCAST Spartans.
On the service line, jersey number 17 on the Ateneo Golden Knights. And it was an ace. And it was a good point para sa Ateneo. And titingnan din natin kung makakabawi sa lamang ang BISCAST Spartans team.
Yes. Grabe yung mga service dito ng Ateneo. That's a very sharp one. And a lot of aces here compared to the other side. Now, Valentina to set it up.
Down the
At
line.
that point, we'll go on the side of BISCAST Spartans here. Humahabol, gumagawa ng paraan to get close to that point of Ateneo. Now, jersey number 13 now to serve.
Again on deck to serve jersey number 13 on the side of Spartans, and let's see kung anong game plan nila after the timeout. Nagawa ng paraan. It was a miscalculated spike on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, and it was a score for BISCAST Spartans. And the score is 13-15.
Now this is a very tricky first set we're watching right now. Talagang what a good way to end this quarterfinal matches of our Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. But with that back-to-back points of BISCAST Spartans, it is also an error on their side here. So a bonus point para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Still nasa kanila yung 3 puntos na kalamangan dito. If they really want to get the set, they need to lessen that error and focus more on their attacks and defense. Sunga with that service error. Tapos magbigay ng puntos ng BISCAST, ganun din naman yung ginagawa dito ng Ateneo. Now, jersey number 14 to serve Lopez.
Through the block by jersey number 3. And honestly, makikita din natin dito kung paano i-utilize ng setter ang kanilang spiker even walang first ball team.
Yun yung maganda dito kasi setter, talagang nakikita niya kung sino ba yung mabibigyan dito ng mga bola. And the spikers of this Ateneo Golden Knights, ginagawan din ng paraan para maging maganda yung execution ng kanilang mga puntos dito na Valentina Back row attack.
It was a through the blocks on the side of the Spartans, and it was a great choice by the setter na itaas sa back row. And it was a great point again by the Spartans.
The 15-16, just a point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. Tingnan natin kung hahabulin ba to ng BISCAST Spartans or Ateneo Golden Knights will continue their domination for the first set at hindi bibitawan yung magandang momentum na kanilang nasimulan dito. Now, jersey number 1 here on the line to serve. It is Flores. But some of the players here telling something to our officials. Now, before we continue this game, parami na ng parami yung ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. And also, maraming salamat din po sa lahat na nanonood sa atin ng live. And going back to that performance of these two teams, walang napag-iiwanan dito, UG. Both Ateneo and BISCAST, meron ng mga error na nakukumit, binabawi naman nila doon sa kanilang mga atake dito.
Kaya nga these two both palpable teams is very dedicated, especially kahit na magkaka-errors, binabawi pa rin nila yung nagawa nilang errors. And nakikita natin actually on this game na for this set palitan lang yung puntos sila and dikit ang laban. And for this set, 15-16 ang score ngayon.
Now, medyo mahaba pang first set ang ating mapapanood dito dahil dikit na dikit yung laban na ipinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Magkakatalo na lang talaga sila doon sa mga errors na nagagawa nila. Kasi bonus point yan doon sa kanilang kabilang kupunan. So they need to lessen that. And we can see right now here on our screens, our Ateneo and BISCAST fans watching this matchup. Now, a yellow card. Tawag dito ng officiating officials sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. Now, back to game here. BISCAST Spartans naghahabol ng isang puntos. Jersey number 1 now to serve. Flores.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. It was a good save on the side of the Spartans. And tingnan natin. Quick play on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And yun nga ang sinasabi ko, if magkakaroon ng first ball sa both teams, of course, honestly, magkakaroon sila ng puntos. And yun yung parang dapat maiwasan din sa side ng BISCAST ang errors.
Yes, parang sinasabi dito ng Ateneo na hindi nila hayaan na magtay sila dito ng BISCAST Spartans, and they will continue to dominate this set. And we can see that right now, 15-18. They're just 7 points away on getting the first set. Now there's still some talking with the officiating officials here. Now as we continue this game, will Ateneo conquer the set here and get it? Cadiz to attack. Bumawi agad. I really love the attitude of Cadiz here.
I love the swag of Cadiz.
Looking at that attack. BISCAST Spartans game is still on here.
It was an ace on the side of the Spartans by credits to Valentino, jersey number 8. Again on deck to serve, jersey number 8, Valentino. It was a out. Of course, a score going to the Ateneo Golden Knights. Good first ball. Cadiz was dug by jersey number 7 on the side of the Ateneo. What a powerful hit by us left. 3 clear on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, and it was a point given to Ateneo. 17-20 ang score.
No, every time nakakalapit ng puntos itong BISCAST Spartans, andyan yung Ateneo para magpaula ng puntos dito. Good defense and good attacks here. And now 18-20 on our scoreboard. 5 points away. The Golden Knights from getting that first set. At nabigyan pa nga ng bonus point galing dyan sa service error ni Cadiz.
Time out for the side of BISCAST Spartans.
Now, see kung anong adjustment sa side ng BISCAST Spartans, knowing na yung kanilang kupunan dito bumabawi, pero at the same time nagkakaroon sila ng problema because of their errors here na talagang bigay nila doon sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Well, on the other side of things, ang maganda dito sa side ng Golden Knights, kahit man humabol yung BISCAST Spartans, hindi nila hinahayaan na makuha nila yung kalamangan dito. So they just need to maintain that kind of gameplay here, most especially now that they only have 4 points to end the first set. So let's see if they will finish this straight or BISCAST Spartans will end it now. No, there's still a lot of issues here going on. Now let's still wait here as the officials will talk about that last sequence. 18-21 on our scoreboard here.
Very intense ang laban na ito, Teen, kahit first set pa lang. And sana hindi sila magpadala sa emotions for this. And you know, makikita natin for these games kung paano i-utilize again ng BISCAST ang kanilang spikers kasi masyadong nababantayan si Cadiz for this set.
Now, let's still wait here as the referees talking with the team captain of Ateneo Golden Knights Sunga. This is just the first set ng quarterfinal matchup ng BISCAST Spartans and Ateneo Golden Knights, pero punong-puno na ng tension, intensity, as well as ng magandang laban. Now, still waiting here. So, quick shoutout muna sa lahat po na nanonood sa atin ng live sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout po dito kay Eric De La Torre, Maria Fenelet, Kim Monteroso, Janayla Basalas, Jameson Brenya, James Angelo Gabarda, at kay Marniela Berido. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, I would like to grab this opportunity also to shout out my family in Iriga City. And of course, to the GNN TV48 Naga and to Bucal family out here.
And also, may nagpapahabol ditong shoutout, Joe Marinero. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-antabay dito. Now, we will continue this intense set number 1 of our Ateneo and BISCAST matchup. Valentina.
Oh! And a powerful hit on the middle of the Spartans. What a great connections with that baon na baon, kumbaga.
Can you see that? With that poker face, but a strong attack coming from BISCAST Spartans. Like, the game is still on, and the people here, the crowd, going wild after that attack from Etius. Pero bumawi naman dito yung Ateneo as jersey number 17 attacking.
Sagutan sa puntos ang bawat team. This is very intense talaga and was on fire, especially the players here.
Yes.
On deck to serve, jersey number 17 on the Ateneo side.
Delfino.
It was a block, payong na payong ang bantay. Ang BISCAST sa side naman ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Kumbaga, prepared sila sa powerful hit na yon.
It may be a good attack here, but that point will go on to the side of BISCAST Sparta. Now we're looking at 2022 on our scoreboard. Sunga ngayon, babawi. Denied. Jersey number 3 to attack. Now Valentina sets it up. With the blockers here. I really love the attitude of BISCAST Spartans as Flores getting that point. With that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito itong ADNU Golden Knights. Kasi kung kanina, parang kaya-kaya pa eh. Pero ngayon, looking at that attitude, character development on the side of BISCAST Spartans, nabuhayan sila eh. Gusto nilang lumaban ng mas matindi dito. And this is a very good set number 1 we're watching.
Yes, team, totally yung adrenaline ng both teams are changed. Actually, sa BISCAST, grabe yung game plan nila after that timeout. And of course, we will see. Actually, kasi very crucial. And of course, dikit ang laban for this set, 21-22. Dapat, they need to show kung ano yung parang magandang or good systems nila for this hardcourt.
Now, let's see. After timeout, what will happen here for both teams? Hindi natin alam eh. Very unpredictable pa at this moment because BISCAST Spartans, grabe kung maghabol. Now, ADNU to attack. Ball is still alive. One more time for them. Jersey number 3.
Through the blocks again. Sa side ng ADNU, very powerful hit ang ginagawa nila. And nagagawa nila actually ng paraan even the set is miscalculated. Okay, back row attack. Good dog by ADNU. Oh, ang ganda ng spike doon ng ADNU na actually nasilip ng ADNU sides ang zone na yun, and it was a great point for them. And we're now in the set point, 24-21.
Ngayon parang pinatakim lang ng ADNU nung magandang mga puntos yung BISCAST Spartans. But the question is, will they end this? Sa isang puntos na lamang, now BISCAST Spartans to attack here. Through the blocker, the game is still on here. As jersey number 14, Lopez getting that point, 22-24.
On deck to serve, jersey number 14 on the side of the Spartan. Good first ball. It was a block on the side of the Spartans. I love the energy of live audience and also the players out here. Again on the service line, jersey number 14 on the side of the Spartans.
Can we have an extension here of our set number 1? Valentina to set it up. Cadiz. At that point, we'll go on to the side of BISCAST. So this is road to 26. Let's see kung sino una makakuha ng 26 points. Mapapatapang nga ng timeout dyan itong ating ADNU Golden Knights kasi nasa kanila na yung magandang momentum eh. Pero binawi agad ng BISCAST Spartans, extending our first set.
And yun nga, this set, feel natin, may extend pa, and unexpectedly, nakalamang ang ADNU, pero hindi nagpatalo ang BISCAST Spartans sa set na ito. And this matchup is grabe, kasi dikita ng laban, 24 all again.
Now back to the ball game here. ADNU's eagerness right now.
Powerful hit by jersey number 3 on the side of ADNU Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin ngayon sa side ng BISCAST Spartans para magpantay ang score na ito. No serving, jersey number 8 on the side of the Ateneo Spartans. And it's an outside. Kumbaga blessing to sa Spartans at 25 all sa score nito.
Now, that's a very crucial error sa side ng Ateneo. Most especially ngayon pa. Road to 27, let's see.
Soft attack on the side of Ateneo, and it was a successful attack. And you know, team, grabe yung playing style nila, and IQ hindi lang puro palo or super lakas na palo para magkaroon ng puntos. On that to serve again on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. On the middle, pero payong na payong and bantay ng Ateneo, and doon nagtatapos ang first set sa 27-25.
We will be back para sa ating second set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health.
We are back now for our second set of this intense matchup for our quarterfinal round. Dito sa ating men's volleyball, it is Ateneo Golden Knights versus BISCAST Spartans. Isang magandang first set nga po ang ating nakita kanina lamang. It ended 27-25. And as we can see, there are still a lot of errors committed by these both teams. But at the same time, grabe din yung pinaulanan nilang mga atake dito, floor defense. At the same time, talagang match itong ating dalawang kupunan. And now for our second set, babawi ba itong ating BISCAST Spartans o magtutuloy-tuloy itong magandang connection ng Ateneo Golden Knights? At speaking of that, it is BISCAST Spartans opening the second set with a point here. Now Ateneo or BISCAST Spartans serving. Jersey number 2.
What a down hit by jersey number 7. And actually, jersey number 2. Sorry for that, And honestly, ito yung makikita natin this time. Compose na yung team, lessen ang error para makabawi.
Now let's see here. Spartans to attack.
Binawian ni jersey number 3 on the side of the Spartans. Palitan lang talaga sila ng puntos. On deck to serve, jersey number 6 on the side of the Spartans.
BISCAST Spartans enjoying that 1-point lead, but still no room for complacency for this both teams.
Regalo.
Nakita mo na Yuji, tinalikulan lang. Let's take a look at it again with that very good attack here of jersey number 1 from the side of BISCAST Spartans.
Good first ball. Jersey number 17 through the blocks. And yun, puntos yun para sa Ateneo. Now serving, jersey number 17 on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. What a jump serve.
No, BISCAST Spartan having that 2-point lead, but it's too early para sabihin it is their set, knowing that Ateneo Golden Knights babawi dito. Sunga. The BISCAST Spartans to attack here again. Number 1, no good. Sunga once again, and this time they get it.
Nagawa ng paraan ni Suma ang miscalculated set. Okay, on deck to serve, jersey number 1, Suma. There was a out and error on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sa ngayon, lamang rito ang BISCAST Spartans sa set na ito.
Ito yung sinasabi natin that both teams need to lessen their errors now because ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit lumalang
Regalo again to the side of the Spartans. And again, bilog nga ang bola. We didn't know kung sino makakakuha sa set na ito, but both teams are striving to get a point.
What is sure right now is that it will be a long fight between BISCAST and Ateneo. But let's see here. Now, point will go on to the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi din naman nagkakalayo dito yung kanilang mga puntos. 4-6 on our scoreboard for our second set. Now Nerva. BISCAST to attack. And it is still inside.
Pinantayan ng Ateneo ang BISCAST sa spike na yon, and payong na payong nga. The service line again, jersey number 8 on the Ateneo Golden Knights. And it was a outside and service error on the side of the Ateneo.
Ito yung sinasabi natin na no room for errors for both teams, most especially yung ating Ateneo Golden Knights kasi sila yung naghahabol dito ng 2 puntos. Now let's see if babawi ba dito. Ateneo. Well, still alive here.
Ganda ng depensa ng BISCAST sa set na ito. And even, again, miscalculated yung set sa kanila. Nagagawan pa rin nila ng paraan at para magkaroon ng puntos. And the score is 8-5. Good first ball on the side of the Ateneo with a good combination play, and it was a successful. Back row hit. was an error on the side of BISCAST Spartans. Sa ngayon, nakakahabol na actually ang ADNU Golden Knights sa set na ito, and they need, sa side ng BISCAST, they need to dethrone their lamang sa set na ito. Through the block by Cadiz, I love that swag and the energy again.
At para makarinig tayo ng update sa side ng ADNU Golden Knights, kung ano nga bang gagawin nila dito sa 2 puntos na kalamangan ng BISCAST Spartans, andyan po si Angel. Hi Angel, take it away.
UGNT, and it is getting more intenser this second set of the game. As we enter the second set of the game, we can look back that the Golden Knight did a really lock in and went hard the first set. And after the timeout, Coach Julius was frustrated due to the rampancy of the service error. But he still underlined the importance of the power of positivity, highlighting that walang imposible. We are expecting them to be more focused on the second set as our mantra shouts, won a big fight. That's on my end. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you guys.
Thank you for that, Angel. Again, sabi nga ni Coach, and we have the timeout earlier. Coach looks like he's talking to the players about improving their defense and staying more patient with the ball. And yung nakikita natin actually on the side of ADNU Golden Knights na nililesen nila yung errors nila to have a good points.
Now, ano din pabawi dito ng BISCAST Spartans, they are enjoying the 3-point lead on their side, but at the same time, hindi pa rin sila nawawala ng pag-asa dito na ang second set ay para sa kanila. And to hear an update from the side of BISCAST Spartans, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, ano update natin dyan?
Hello, Tin and UG. Eto na nga tayo, nag-uumpisa sa second set. Pero bago tayo dumako dyan, I just want to share some of my observations during the first set of the game. So we have some errors regarding precision and judgment pagdating sa landing ng bola. Aside from that, we can sense some nervousness dito sa laro ng Spartans, and they also encountered a yellow card sa kadahilanan na maling team captain ang lumapit sa referee. They've been doing really good sa last few minutes of the first set at beginning of the second quarter. Pagdating sa second, kailangan nila ulit hanapin ang diskarte kung paano sila pupuntos. Along with the adjustments they have to make, kailangan din nilang kumalma para makagalaw sila at makapag-isip ng maayos. That would be all dito sa side ng Spartans. Balik sa inyo, UG and Tim.
Thank you for that update, Zai, on the side of the BISCAST Spartans. Again, they really focusing on the first ball receptions and passing. That's really key to their offense as for BISCAST, and they just need to clean up those small mistakes and keep pushing. And for this, let's see on the service lane. Juicy number 4. Good first ball on the ADNU Golden Knights with the good connections on the middle with the triple blocks on the sides of the BISCAST, and it was a great point of the game.
Now, ADNU Golden Knights, a change of momentum here. Kung kanina, it is them on top, but now BISCAST Spartans proving that this second set domination is on their team. Because looking at that attack of their team here, 9-14 on our scoreboard. Jersey number 11.
What a cross-court hit by jersey number 11.
Jersey number 16 to check in here. An exchange of Nerva. The BISCAST Spartans still having this 5-point lead here. Ano kaya yung mangyayari sa mga susunod? Pero agad naman na pinutol yan ng BISCAST Spartans because of that error na kanina pa dito pinagpupukosan na itong dalawang kupunan natin ngayon BISCAST to lessen that error because it makes a big impact on their points here.
What a jump serve on the side of ADNU. Galvo to Cadiz. And it was a pipe attack by the BISCAST Spartan. It was a great point again. And nagagawa nila actually ng paraan yung bola sa kanila.
Hindi na bumababa dito yung kalamangan ng BISCAST Spartan. 10-15, still a 5-point lead here. 4 touches para side ng Ateneo. 10-16, biggest gap of BISCAST Spartans now dito sa ating second set. Soft touch. Ball still alive here. Pero miscommunication sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. They still continue to dominate the second set para dito sa BISCAST Spartans.
What a great serve. Jersey number 1. Through the blocks. It was a powerful hit by jersey number 3 on the side of BISCAST Spartans. And kailangan dito mapa-utilize or mapagalaw kumbaga ang depensa ng Ateneo Golden Knights kasi ang lamang sa score or sa set na ito is 18-10.
Now that's a straight points coming from BISCAST. Pero running attack was no good. Ateneo. Babawi ba as we continue the second set here? That is 2 straight points coming from their team. Now Sung at the serve.
Great serve. Okay, to the middle. And again, nagawa ng paraan. Ulit, nasa side ng Spartans by their middle blocker. On deck to serve, jersey number 3 on the side of the Spartans.
12-19 on our scoreboard here. (13-19). 6-point lead of BISCAST Spartans. Cadiz to attack.
What a spike by Cadiz. And hindi siya, kumbaga, receive ng sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And yun yung dapat natin makita for this na bumawi sila when it comes to depensa.
Now, 5 points away and getting that set. Ateneo. To attack now. Free ball pero hindi nakakuha ng BISCAST Spartans. Mukhang papahabulin pa nila dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. No, jersey number 3. Frustrations on the side of Ateneo. Dahil doon sa sunod-sunod na error na kanilang nakocommit dito. While on the other side, BISCAST Spartans enjoying that big gap they have right now, but still no room for complacency because looking at that attacks of Ateneo Golden Knights, kayang-kayang humakbol, but nahayaan ba ng BISCAST Spartans na mangyari yan? 15-21. Jersey number 17 serve.
It was an ace. Pasok na pasok ang serve ni jersey number 7. The timeout called by the BISCAST Spartans.
And with that timeout called here sa side ng BISCAST Spartans because kanina umabot na sa, I think, 7-point lead ng kanilang kupunan. But now, naibaba ng Ateneo Golden Knights into 5. So, they need to do something about that. Kasi, just a few points pwedeng mangyari na itong Ateneo humabol at magkaroon muli tayo ng isang intense na second set. But let's see if after this timeout, BISCAST Spartans will continue to dominate the set and end it para magkaroon tayo ng 1-1 sa quarterfinals na ito.
Let's see if after this timeout, if the Ateneo, if merong kunting adjustment for their system to have a point on the set.
Now, a quick shoutout lang sa ating live viewers dito sa Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout kay John Velasquez, Kelvin Yamado, kay Danny Sunogba at kay Lawrence Labay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now ADNU Golden Knights to serve here. Jersey number 7. 16-21.
Good first ball on the side of the Spartans. Good spike by Cadiz. Buhay pang bola. Through the block by jersey number 6 on the side of the Spartans. And I love the energy on through the block by jersey number 6 on the side of the Spartans. And I love the decidido sila kumbaga makakuha sa score or sa set na ito.
Cadiz serving and an error cutting momentum of BISCAST Spartans.
Jersey number 2 serving. Spartans.
Now ADNU to attack.
Good dog on the side of the Spartans. Flores, the jersey number 3, and it was a good dog again on the side of the Ateneo. Ang ganda ng depensa nila ngayon. And that's it. Grabe. Grabe rin yung yun. And that's it. Grabe. Grabe rin yung
Grabe yung intensity ng laban ng ADNU and BISCAST Spartans. But right now, set point na nga po itong ating BISCAST Spartan. 1 puntos na lamang sa kanila. We're tied on 1-1 sa ating quarterfinal matchup. But magkakaroon ba ng mabilisang pagkuha dito ang BISCAST Spartans? Let's see. Here's number 11 to attack. Pero medyo napalakas. Merong gigil na doon eh. $18-24 now. 10 puntos para sa BISCAST. Pero hayaan ba yan ang Golden Knights?
With a good jump serve on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Blocked by Ateneo. And through the block again by the middle blocker on the side of blocked by Ateneo. And through the block again by the middle blocker on the side.
Back for our much intense set number 3 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, Matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance,
And we are back right now and on the Aragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. And now we're in the third set and this one couldn't decide it all. Both teams have been trading sets and it's anyone's games right now. 1-1 na ang score sa laban na ito. It was an intense match up earlier on the set to 18-25. Let's see kung paano nila i-adjust ang sarili nila for this set.
And of course, UG, just like what we've seen during that first set and second set, of course it will be an intense third set right now. Now let's see on whoever gets the first point here, BISCAST or ADNU. Now that we are very intense matchup, and it will be a point for ADNU here.
Jersey number 7 serving. It was our first good ball.
Valentina to Cadiz through the blockers. So first point para dito sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. Well, let's see here. 1-1. Once you play for Valentina. Now what's trying to attack. Sunga! Straight through the net. An error para dito sa Golden Knights. Cadiz once again to serve here.
Free ball on the side of Ateneo. Valentina. The jersey number 6 was blocked, denied. Free ball again to middle. And triple block again by BISCAST Spartans. And it was a great point.
Free ball again to middle and triple block again by BISCAST
Wings line, number 4 on the side of Spartans. To middle again. It was a second block again on the side of Spartans.
Magandang hulog doon sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. As we are seeing right now, itong pag-uumpisa ng ating third set, magandang momentum para sa kanilang kupunan. Babawi ba ang Ateneo? Now, Sunga to attack, soft touch. Valentina to his teammate. Now that's straight points coming from BISCAST Spartans here. Cadiz kanina pa dyan sa service deck. And they really want to get the third set. Focus more. There's no check ball here. Outside for Cadiz. Pinutulagad ng Ateneo yung patuloy na pagpuntos dito ng BISCAST Spartans. Now jersey number 2 to serve.
Good first ball. Again to the middle, but it was denied. Jersey number 11. Soft attack. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Valentina, the jersey number 6. But it was a successful attack. Yun yung parang inaabangan. dito ng mga viewers.
Ito naman si Itis. Pagkatapos gumawa ng isang magandang atake, poker face. Like a very serious one. Kasi meron pang kasunod ng mga atake niyang yan. So nga ngayon, can't defend that one.
Ganda na napakita ng net defense sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. And yung parang strength nila for this set actually.
Now, UG, ang dami na sa ating nanonood dito. So, quick shoutout lang dito kay Tristan James Ramirez. Nagpapashoutout kay Brian Valenzuela, Kian Talentino Barcelona, John Lloyd Avenido, kay Eliza Marantal.
And of course, shout out to Joe Marinero from the NCF Tigers volleyball team.
The BISCAST Spartans, as we are seeing right now, dominating the third set. Ano pabawi dito ng ADNU? Itis! One more time for Trabadillo. Ball is still alive here. Valentina. Pasok na,
What a
pasok!
smart move play by the setter of the BISCAST Spartans. Maganda ng tapon niya dun sa likod or zone na yun on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yes, as a first-timer for Bucal Men's Volleyball, BISCAST Spartans showcasing a great way dito sa ating men's volleyball. So let's see if this will continue sa ating third set. Pero sayang yun para dito kay jersey number 3, Abundo. Dahil yung kanina nilang sunod-sunod na pagpuntos, kinat nila after that error. So this will be an opportunity for Ateneo to strive more and to get more points here. Valentina once again to serve.
To middle, what a good connection by Valentina to the middle blocker. 10-3 ang score sa set na ito. Okay, and the service line. It was a good serve, pero nagawan pa rin ang para na Ateneo. Valentino to jersey number 3. It was actually a good spike and nagawan ulit ng paraan ng BISCAST Spartans.
And timeout nga ang tinawag dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Because looking at our score here, yung 3 puntos na yan ng Ateneo, yung iba dyan, galing pa sa error na nagawa dito ng BISCAST Spartans. Pero wala pa silang magandang gameplay dito na ipinapakita kasi medyo magulo doon sa side ng kanilang kupunan. So after this timeout, on the side of Ateneo, they need to focus, they need to have a good connection here because looks like we're losing it nung ipinakita nila during that first set. Ngayon hindi natin makita dito sa ating third set because BISCAST Spartans dominating that one. 11-3 on our scoreboard. That's a 9-point lead. Very big para dito sa ating third set. Now let's see if BISCAST Spartans handang-handa talaga kunin yung pangatlong set na ito. Magkaroon ng advantage for the next set.
Good serve on the side of the BISCAST Spartans, pero nagawan ulit ng paraan sa spike ng Ateneo Golden Knights and napunta sa kanilang scores. And of course for this, we will see kung paano ang game plan ulit ng Ateneo Golden Knights para ma-lessen ang errors nila.
Now Sunga to serve here sa side ng Ateneo. The Valentina. Ateneo to attack here. Isa pa para sa BISCAST. And Abundo. Grabe yung mga atake dito ng mga Spartans. No substitution here sa side ng Ateneo. It is jersey number 16, exchange of Nerva. Now we're looking at a good set number 3 for BISCAST Spartans. But at the same time, meron pa rin silang nakukumit na error. So anong gagawin dito ng kanilang kupunan to lessen that? And to hear an update, and Jan si Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
UG and 10, grabe naman talaga ang mga Spartans na to. Literal na serving sila sa loob ng court despite the pressure and the stress. Not to mention na parang kumpleto din ang beauty rest ng mga players because of their auras. Every point na nasuscore, sobrang Latina talaga. Their execution is much better compared to their first few plays with proper communication and powerful attacks. They were able to own the second set. Paano naman kaya sa next few sets? Magbabalik ako para dyan maya-maya. Kaya naman UG and 10, kayo naman muna ang mag-slay sa ating live only here on Bucal's official Facebook page and Dorago Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all the updates I have for now. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you for that update, Zai, on the side of BISCAST Spartans. And we will see on this set kung ano ulit yung gagawing adjustment sa side ng BISCAST Spartans.
Now, Ateneo, paunti-unti na ding binabawasan yung kaninang kalamangan na ginagawa dito ng BISCAST Spartans. So, it's very important na yung Ateneo ay gawing advantage yung mga errors na ginagawa dito ng BISCAST Spartans because as of the moment, it is still a big gap. 7 points yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. And to hear an update, andyan po si Angel. Hi, Angel! Anong update natin dyan?
That was a miss for us in this second set at UG&T on our side. Coach Julius went rougher with his words as the team was losing their momentum since the first half of the second set. He stressed the needs of confidence, pressure, equally important as them getting the first ball to execute their game plan and strategy. As we enter the third game, the question would be, will the Golden Knights win this game or will this game teach them a lesson? Watch only here at One Media TV, 48 Naga and Doragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you guys.
Thank you for that, Angel, for an update on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And actually, sabi mo nga kanina, they need to lessen their errors, especially when it comes to attacking. And yun yung nakikita rin natin ngayon na paunti-unti ginagawa ng Ateneo yung sistemang ganon.
Now, 14-7. 7-point lead of BISCAST. Now, what will Ateneo do at this moment? Soft touch. Pero, not violation here for BISCAST. So, a bonus point para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, let's see. Ateneo to serve here. Caris.
It was an out attack by Cadiz. And timeout called from the side of BISCAST Spartans.
Ito yun nga, napatawag nga ng timeout dito ang BISCAST dahil kung kanina, 7 na puntos yung kanilang pinakamalaking kalamangan na nagawa dito, ngayon na ibaba na lamang sa 5 ng Ateneo Golden Knights because of that endless errors of BISCAST Spartans na kanina pa natin sinasabi. And of course, yun din yung advice sa kanila ng kanilang mga coaches to lessen that one kasi yun yung naging main reason kung bakit patuloy na umaarangkada yung isang team dahil nabibigyan ng opportunity because of that error. So, as we continue this third set, will BISCAST Spartans step up and lessen that errors or Ateneo Golden Knights mas gagalingan pa dyan na para mabawasan pa yung kalamangan na hinahabol dito. Let's see as Ateneo to serve here. Valencina. That's a good point here after that timeout.
On deck to serve jersey number 4 Cadiz on the side of BISCAST Spartans. Good receive by the libero on the side of Ateneo. Denied. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Free ball actually. Valentina to jersey number 6. It was... Tingnan natin kung ano yung final decisions ng referee. But the score or the point will be given to the Ateneo side.
So the final decision is it's outside. So a point for Ateneo Golden Knights. 15-10. Itis with that eagle attack.
Ganda ng lipad doon ng middle sa side ng Spartans. And yun yung need nilang i-utilize sa ngayon.
Oo.
Yun yung strength nila.
Now, andyan na naman yung kanyang poker face. What a cute one.
I love the energy actually.
ETS serving. The BISCAST Spartans. Ball still alive here, long rally.
Ganda ng depensa ng both teams. Pero nagawa ni Suma ng paraan sa spike na yon.
So that soft touch of Sunga converting a point here. Now Ateneo. Valencina, bibigay dito. Jersey number 1.
Again, nagpakitang gilas ulit with a blocker na Spartan. And 17-11 ang score sa set na ito. On deck to serve, jersey number 11 on the side of BISCAST Spartans.
Another error committed here sa side ng BISCAST. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito. Dahil kahit 5 puntos yung kalamangan ng Ateneo, kayang-kayang habulin. So BISCAST Spartans needs to focus on lessening that errors. Sunga serving. Good coverage for Ateneo here. Valentina to Flores. Bumawi agad itong Spartans. (18-12), 7 points away itong BISCAST Spartans and getting that third set. Now Abundo to serve. Pero andyan si jersey number 3 of Ateneo. Kim still alive here. Ateneo still have an opportunity to snatch the third set. Another error committed by the Spartans. Now BISCAST Spartans giving away points here right now. Valentina.
Good first ball again. And again, Valentina, the jersey number 1. Again, ang ganda ng connections nila, and by that, nagagawan ulit. And actually, Teen, this is actually their strength to have a good score.
Now Flores to serve here, 19-14. 6 na puntos. Flores. But our officiating officials will talk about something here. Now looking at that point of BISCAST Spartans, grabe yung kanilang tinabaho dito sa ating third set. But at the same time, there are still errors committed here. And itong Ateneo Golden Knights naman, they're taking advantage of that errors of BISCAST Spartans. But at the same time, it is still not enough. Kasi 5 puntos pa rin, hindi nila na ibababa sa 5 puntos yung kalamangan dito ng BISCAST Spartans. So let's see if there are still a lot of changes here for our third set or an opportunity para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights to stop the bleeding and lessen that gap. Now Abundo on that side of BISCAST Spartans, the team captain here, talking to our first referee. Now we're back on the ball game here as Flores to serve. Still 19-15.
Straight to the net. Wasn't service our side of Spartans. Yung kailangan nilang iwasan nila. And they need to be composed kasi medyo crucial na for this time ang laban na ito.
Ngayon 3 puntos na lamang. Valentina, 1-2 play. But it is getting that point here. Like, BISCAST Spartans holding on for their momentum here. Ibigay dito. Jersey number 17. On the other side naman, Valentina. Ticades. Ooh, what a monster blockers.
Grabe yung net defense rin ng side ng ADNU Golden Knights. And I love also the energy na step by step ang ginagawa nilang points for this set. And actually, Valentina set to Cadiz. Bumawi, pero denied again sa side ng ADNU Golden Knights.
And Yuji, this is the second time that Cadiz was denied by that blockers of ADNU Golden Knights. Like, hindi pa tapos yung laban para sa ating third set. 2 puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng ADNU Golden Knights. Mukhang hahabol at lalamang pa if hindi gagawa ng paraan ng BISCAST Spartans yung mga errors na nagagawa nila dito. And kudos doon sa mga blockers ng ADNU. Talagang kahit gaano kalakas yung mga atake dito ni Cadiz, they are there na para protektahan at depensahan itong kanilang kupulan dito. Now, let's see after this timeout. Well, ADNU, sunod-sunod na ba yung pagpuntos nila dito? Or the BISCAST Spartans mas determinado na makuha ang third set?
On the side of BISCAST Spartans, they need to focus on these games kasi binabantayan na si Cadiz sa side ng ADNU Golden Knights. It was an attack error again on the side of BISCAST Spartan.
Ayan nga. Dahil doon sa pag-iwas nila, doon sa mga blockers ng ADNU, medyo napataas yung kanilang mga palo dito. So, kailangan lang talaga nila ng magandang connection dito. And at this point of time, that is 4 straight points coming from ADNU Golden Knights. Boneo. Babalik dito sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. Now we are tied on 20. Oh, grabe yung tinabaho ng ADNU. Kung kanina siya, ngayon, naku, mukhang lalamang pa dito. Valentina. Soft touch. Sunga naman ngayon. Cadiz to set it up for Flores. And that's an outside point.
Ganda ng set doon ni Cadiz to the open spikers and actually nagawa din ang paraan. On deck to serve, Cadiz. Good receive under ADNU Golden Knights. To the middle, quick play. And again, ang ganda na connections nila sa isa't isa. And yun yung parang need to utilize for these games, the connections and the good communications inside of this hard court.
Now jersey number 2 now to serve here. 21 all. Now, mahihirapan itong dalawang kupunan. Again, this is just like the first set we're watching. A very intense one. Well, let's see. Valentina. It is. Sunga ngayon. And ADNU for the first time dito sa ating third set, cutting that lead of just 1 point, but at the same time, it makes a big difference sa kanilang performance dito. Kasi kung kanina, nasa BISCAST yung momentum. Ngayon naging sunod-sunod na yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. 21-23, few points away on getting that set number 3 itong ADNU. Grabe yung tinabaho nila dito. Jersey number 2.
Valentina set the Bonea, and actually a good point, a successful attack on the side of the Spartans.
Binawi naman agad ng BISCAST Spartans, but still ADNU yung may advantage sa set na ito. Itis. But a miscommunication right there. Tying the game.
By the setter actually to the middle. And yun yung need nilang iayos and i-work on ngayon sa court na ito na magkaroon ng magandang connections kasi 23 all na and it's just very intense and mixed emotions. Valentina again set to the open spiker, and actually it was a good point. And of course, nasilip doon ng spiker yung zone na yon.
Yun nga, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ADNU because BISCAST Spartans is now on set point. Just 1 point na lamang po. And they will get the third set. And now na hinabol ngayon ng ADNU, talagang up until the end, ipaglalaban nila yan. So they need to focus on their game plan here. Anong gagawin nila dito? Kung ito bang ADNU, i-extend itong set number 3 just like what we've had during the first set, or BISCAST Spartans will end it right now.
They're back in the ball game. On deck to serve, jersey number 6 on the side of Spartans. So let's see kung anong adjustment ulit after the timeout by coach.
The BISCAST Boneo. ADNU still looking for an extension. And Sunga doing that one. Putting that in. Now let's take a look at it again as Sunga.
What a powerful swing on the side of ADNU Golden Knights. And ang ganda ng laban na ito ngayon. Actually, very intense. And the cheer was very crazy at this moment.
Now, ADNU looking for the first point of this extension. But Flores attacking with that attitude.
Ganda ng pasa doon sa side ng Spartans, and ganda rin talaga ng connections nila sa middle blocker.
Ngayon naman, isang puntos na lang ulit sa side ng BISCAST. Now ADNU. Ibigay dito, once again, Sunga, soft touch.
Sunga again. Dug by Cadiz. Again, by the middle blocker of the Spartans. The set 3 and on this. Ganda ng laban sa ngayon.
26-24 yung ating naging laban dito. What a good performance coming from BISCAST. We will be back for our fourth set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management.
We are back right now, live on Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and we are now on the first step after hard-fought battle, Spartans end up. And you know, ito yung aabangan natin for this kasi very crucial na ang game na ito or set na ito kasi dito kumbaga ma-define kung sino makakauwi ng panalo. Jersey number 13, what a powerful hit on the side of the Spartans. And, you know, dito sa laban or sa set na ito, you need to compose yourself. Again, para ma-lessen ang error. And on the side naman sa Ateneo Golden Knights, they need, again, maayos nila ang defense and offense nila. Jersey number 3, denied on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. 1-1 on deck to serve, jersey number 2 on the side of Golden Knights. What a float serve. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 17. Nagawa ng paraanan again. It was a great point on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Was a attack error on the side of Spartans. 3-1. And again on the service line. Jersey number 2 on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Straight to the net. And it was a service error. Jersey number 6 on deck to serve. Bigat ang serve and actually regalo pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan ng Ateneo. Flores set to jersey number 3. It was a powerful hit on the side of Spartans. 3-all. Okay, let's see on this game kung ano yung adjustment na gagawin nila. Kasi on this on this set rather, dito again ma-define or makikilala kung sino ang mananalo sa laban na ito or sa match na ito. And that, ganda ng connections again on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights sa middle. Good jump serve on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And block by triple blockers on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. On deck to serve again, jersey number 17 on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. What a jump serve again of receive on the side of BISCAST Spartans to middle. And for this time, let's hear an update on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Angel, take it away.
Eugene, perhaps we are at our last set of this elimination round. Their performance in this game was nothing but short of applaudable, but because they are still trying to get back their momentum for the last set. On my game analysis, Huge and Tina, they must leave no room for complacency. Eyes on the prize, because after all, this is their last shot. A win or no win for our team, but coach remains optimistic to motivate the team to matches. Do better and be better for this last set. That's it on my table, Huge and Tina. Back to you guys.
Thank you for that, Angel, for that update on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And again, we will see on this kung ano yung adjustment or ano yung game plan na gagawin nila on this court. And on the side of BISCAST, on deck to serve, jersey number 13. What a float serve again. And it was an ace and puntos sa BISCAST Spartans. 7-5. And for this time, pakinggan naman natin ang update sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. Hello, Zai. Anong update dyan?
Huge and Tin, heto na nga tayo sa ating fourth set. Atake kung atake, laban kung laban. Yan ang mata ng Spartans as they enter the fourth set. We have some great players here sa side ng Spartans like jersey number 4, Cadiz, which has one of the most impressive serves, powerful at papatay in every way. Gigil na nga ako dito sa court side, UGNT. Parang konti na lang gusto ko na pumasok ng court. But kidding aside, painit na ang labanan. Kaya I suggest our players, or should I say our viewers, to prepare some water because we are about to witness more only here on Bicol University's Athletic League Season 6. Balik sa inyo, Tin at UG.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga. It is a really intense matchup of BISCAST Spartans and Ateneo Golden Knights, and we've seen it right now because BISCAST Spartans tying the game into 7-all. And of course, our courtside reporter Zai also mentioned Cadiz dahil isa din siya sa nag-contribute dito ng napakagandang depensa at depensa sa loob ng court for BISCAST Spartans. Now let's see here if this will continue sa side ng BISCAST Spartans, knowing that Ateneo Golden Knights, tingnan mo naman yun, bumawi agad dito sa kanilang koponan.
Pinakitaan ng down the line hit on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sa ngayon, we will see again na palitan ang pagpuntos ng bawat team. There's a very palpable again sa laban na ito. What a powerful spike on the side of Spartans. And you know, yun ang kailangan this time sa game na ito para makapuntos and makadomin na kumbaga sa laban na ito or sa set na ito. On deck to serve, again on the service line, jersey number 3.
Now Ateneo to attack. Good coverage sa BISCAST, pero medyo bumaba doon kay jersey number 3, causing a 1-point lead of BISCAST Spartan. Now, Cadiz to serve here, or rather, jersey number 3, Abundo. Mabawi dito, BISCAST Spartans to attack here. Cadiz one more time, denied.
Through the blocks. And again, it was a point on the side of Spartans. Kumbaga, ang bigat ng palo ni Cadiz sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. Pero beyond this, nagagawan pa rin ng paraan para makapuntos sa side ng Spartans. 10-8 score. Good first ball. Pero miss-set by the setter, of course, on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And the points will be given on the sides of BISCAST Spartans.
Yes, well, BISCAST Spartans end it now dito sa ating fourth set, or Ateneo Golden Knights will have an opportunity to extend it up until the set number 5. But looking at the performance of Cadiz now, kanina pa siya dito, from first set up until the 4th set, talagang nag-step up siya for his team. And now let's see if BISCAST Spartans magtutuloy-tuloy itong 3 puntos sa kanilang kalamangan dito, or ADNU Golden Knights will cut it out. Jersey number 3, Abundo, serving. That's a long one. Ito yung sinasabi natin na kailangan lessen the error here on their side.
It was a misreceive on the side of Spartan, and it was an ace sa side naman ng Ateneo. Grabe, bawat teams, they're very skilled and known for their good offense and defense. Pero beside that, dapat malesa nila yung errors nila.
Now Itis, babalik dito sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. Jersey number 1 now to serve. Ball is still alive here. Good coverage sa side ng BISCAST. And another.
It felt short again sa side ng ating Golden Knights by jersey number 3.
It is once again jersey number 3 here. Babayo ba dito ang Ateneo? BISCAST Spartan Cadiz. Straight through the net. Puntos na yan para sa Ateneo.
Nanggigil masyado si Cadiz. And it was a point or puntos sa side ng Ateneo. On the service lane, jersey number 3 on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Okay. In the middle. Dog on the back of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan ni jersey number 17. Again, it was a point on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. 12-13.
No, Ateneo, 1 puntos na lamang hinahabol dito, but a very crucial error for Alano here. Kanina pa siya dito sa ating 4th set. Nakailang error na si Alano dito, and they need to focus right now. BISCAST Spartans to attack here. Soft touch. And they did it.
Timeout called from the BISCAST Spartan sides, and this game are actually set very intense palitan ng pagpuntos, and you will see on this kung gaano sila kagaling not only in spiking but also in net defense and defense on the back. And of course, for this again, they need to communicate it to each other kasi on this set is very crucial na parang dito na malalaman kung sino ang mananalo if the Ateneo will change their systems or play again. This game will be extended.
Now 13-14, just a point lead of BISCAST Spartans. Meron pang opportunity itong Ateneo Golden Knights to extend this quarterfinal matchup into 5th set. But let's see if papayag pa ba yung BISCAST Spartans or tatapusin na nila ngayon. Good attack here, denied. BISCAST Spartans once again, soft touch. Ibigay kay Sunga. Good coverage there. Cadiz. Ball is still alive here. On the other side, denied.
Denied. Payong na payong and bantay na bantay sa side ng BISCAST Spartans. And yun yung need nilang ma-work din sa net defense, yung bantay sarado kumbaga ang players ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Cadiz serving on the side of BISCAST Spartans. What a serve. And spike actually of jersey number 2 on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Nagawan talaga ng paraan kahit hindi para sa kanya yung bola.
Palitan lang ng puntos itong dalawang kupunan natin. Ayaw pa awat. Now, jersey number 17. Caris was there. One more time. Sunga naman ngayon.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. It was a good rally on this set. Block by the side of BISCAST Spartans. Set to Sunga. It was denied again. Tried again. Soft touch. It was a good actions on the side of floor defense of BISCAST Spartans against Sunga. It was a successful attack. Kumbaga, sumakses siya sa point na yon.
Grabe yung ating long rally dyan. Talagang hindi binatawad ng ating Neo Golden Knights. And now we are tied 15 all. Very intense fourth set. No BISCAST.
First ball. On the middle. Bantay na ating Golden Knights. But it was an error on the side of the Golden Knights. And the points will be given to BISCAST Spartans. 15-16. Palitan talaga ng puntos ang bawat koponan.
BISCAST Spartans.
Good receive. Soft touch on the side of the Golden Knights. Powerful hit by jersey number 17. Sorry for that. What a powerful hit by jersey number 17. It was a great connections and actually, kumbaga, nagkakape sa ere ang ginawa ng spiker na yon. What a jump serve, but it fell short through the net. It was a service error. And again, yun yung need nilang i-lesson ngayon para makabawi sa side ng BISCAST Spartans ang errors sa Ateneo Golden Knight. Sunga set to the open spiker. It was a powerful but dog on the side of the Spartans. Bottom of the net. Bay pa rin ang bola. Back set. It was a good rally. Valentina to middle. Soft touch again. But it was it fell short. It was a good point on the side of BISCAST Spartans. Kumbaga bantay na bantay, sarado sila sa attack na yon. And they need to have a presence in mind for this set.
Yes, 2 puntos na nga ang kalawangan dito ng BISCAST, making it 3. Now, pagkatapos nung napaka-intense, napalitan ng puntos dito ng BISCAST and Ateneo. Now, lumayo yung BISCAST ng 3 puntos dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights, kaya napatawag dito ng timeout. So after this timeout, what will be the changes here? Because as of this moment, kapag nakuha pa po ng BISCAST Spartans itong ating 4th set, it is them facing off sa ating semi-final round. Now, back to the ball game here. Now, the good connection of BISCAST Spartans mag-extend ba up until this last or this 4th set, or Ateneo Golden Knights will do something about it to extend it up until the 5th set. Pero yun na nga, another error was committed here.
Okay, back on the ball game. Jersey number 13 on deck to serve. It was a good serve again. Set to jersey number 3, Valentina. 1-2 play, but it was unsuccessful. Caddy set to the open spikers, and it was a powerful hit on that zone. Kaya naman talagang kailangan bantayan ng ADNU Golden Knights ang spiker sa side ng BISCAST Spartans.
Now, 21-16, BISCAST Spartans is just 4 points away on getting their semi-final ticket here. While on the other side, ADNU Golden Knights still have an opportunity here para humabol. So at this point of time, no room for errors. But let's see if tatapusin na ba ito ng BISCAST or we still have another set for this intense one. Jersey number 13 to serve. Very crucial error para dito sa BISCAST Spartans.
Sunga on deck to serve from the Golden Knights. What a service error and a crucial set. And again, yun yung dapat i-work on nila on this court na mabawasan ang error kasi it was a blessings of course to the side of BISCAST Spartans. And nasa crucial points na tayo again because we are now on set 4. What a good serve on the side of Spartans. Valentina. The Flores, it was a powerful hit again. Napatay agad ang bola and hindi nagawan actually ng paraan or nakuha sa side ng ADNU Golden Knights and it was a great point for them. 23-17.
ADNU pumuntos dyan, cutting that straight points of BISCAST Spartans. Game is still alive here, 18-23, 5-point lead of BISCAST.
Cadiz on the middle, pero it was too powerful for him. And again, it was a crucial attack error for the side of Spartans. 19-23. On deck to serve, jersey number 16. It was a good float serve. Valentina to opposite spiker. And nagawa ulit ng paraan and I actually love that energy and swag.
Yuji, we are now on our match point. Isang puntos na lamang for our BISCAST Spartans and they will be on the semi-final round of Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Let's see here. Jersey number 2. Hindi pa tapos. Ball is still
Buhay pa rin
alive.
ang bola. To the middle. Valentina. To Cadiz. But buhay pa rin ang bola. Jersey number 3. Nagawa ng paraan ng BISCAST Spartans. And it's actually a regalo from the side of Golden Knights. Grabe, very intense and super init sa court na ito.
Buhay na buhay pa. 20-24. Pero 1 point away na lamang ang ating BISCAST Spartans. So let's see.
Received by Libero. And again, jersey number 6, it is have a good drop ball on this set. And dun magtatapos ang 4th set or laban na ito. And they going to go to semifinals.
And when we come back, it is our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
player of the game, brought to you by Tigers Cafe, located at Magsaysay, Naga City. And beside me is Ben Josh Flores, the best player of the game on the side of BISCAST Spartans. It was intense matchups on this set. How do you get this win?
Tiwala lang po sa mga kakampi, and syempre inot si God po, and thank you sa coaches namin po na permingyaon po, even though na minsan lang po kami nakaka-training, and yun lang po.
Sa next na laban nyo, ano yung preparations nyo for that?
Sabi nga po ni coach, wait lang. Gagawa pa po kami ng ibang play, and we go play better. Yan na lang.
And before we finally wrap up, what is your message to your supporters and especially to your teammates?
Sa team Mayu. Oh my God. Thank you for people supporting us, and hi Mama. Thank you na lang po sa nag-support.
Thank you so much again. This is the best player again, Ben Josh Flores, brought to you by Tigers Cafe, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, with 15 total points, 14 kills, 1 block, 1 excellent receptions.
And that's our best player of the game from the side of BISCAST Spartans, Flores. What a great performance coming from BISCAST Spartans. Of course, congratulations also sa ADNU Golden Knights dahil isang magandang laban po ang ating natunghayan ngayong gabing ito. At next week, aabangan na natin ang ating semi-final round for our men's volleyball. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Eugene Nueva, always serving you a new perspective and a new conversations. Only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.